In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use segments in Brevo. Segments in Brevo help you organize your contacts based on specific rules, so you can target the right people with the right message. Instead of sending one email to everyone, you can create a segment that automatically gathers contacts who match your criteria. This is useful for more relevant campaigns and cleaner contact management. To get started, look at the left sidebar in your Brevo dashboard. Click Contacts. This is where Brevo stores your contact database and the tools you use to manage it. Once you are in the Contacts area, find and click Segments under the Contacts menu. This opens the Segments section, where you can view any segments you already have and create new ones. Think of this page as your control center for grouped audiences. Next, go to the top right of the page and click Create a Segment. This starts the segment builder, where you define the rules that decide who belongs in the segment. A segment is based on filters, so the key is choosing the right filter for your goal. Now click Add a Filter. Brevo will show you a list of criteria you can use to narrow your contacts. Select your criteria, and in this walkthrough, you will choose Email Contact. This type of filter is typically used when you want to include or exclude contacts based on email-related information, such as whether an email value exists or matches the condition you set. Take a moment to confirm the filter reflects what you want, because your segment will update based on these rules. After your filter is in place, click Save as Segment. This tells Brevo you are ready to turn the filtered results into a reusable audience. You will then be prompted to name your segment. Choose a clear, descriptive name that explains what the segment contains, so you can recognize it later when building campaigns or automations. When you are done, click Save. Your segment is now created, and you can return to it anytime from the Segments page to use it for targeting and organization. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.